Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V30 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED curved display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, approximately 93% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and with shot alpha glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50e main camera, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options peacock green, waving aqua colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V30 has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 139,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $503. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo V30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.